So join quickly. Okay, fine. So all you have to do is fix one end in such a way that it supports the weight of the person. हमें क्या ढूंढना है, एक end को fix करना है हमें. And take plank minimum one plank in your hand first, and it is more stable. So look for places it can be supported. अब कोई ऐसे places ढूंढने हैं जहाँ पे वो support हम कर सकते हैं. हम properly picture देखेंगे इसके, don't worry. Okay, and once you put the plank, fulcrum and support at the one end, you can easily cross the particular distance by jumping. Okay, let's see this. We don't have to discuss this. ये देखिए, right here क्या, ये starting line है. What we did here, यहाँ पे हमें ये starting line है, यहाँ पे हमने weight खड़ा कर दिया. ये हमारा क्या बन गया, वो fulcrum. फिर एक दो कैंडिडेट यहाँ पे फिर से खड़े हो जाएंगे, and then second candidate will easily can stand here because you cannot touch the ground, and he can easily jump from here. Getting my point? चलो ये वाला देखते हैं. यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पे फलक्रम मिल गया हमें, राइट. यहाँ पे ये स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट मिल गया, यहाँ पे हमने फिक्स एंड कर दिया. सो यहाँ पे विदाउट गेटिंग एनी कैंडिडेट टू स्टैंड, ये पूरा का पूरा जो ट्रायंगल है, इसने पूरा का पूरा वेट हमारा कैरी कर लिया. तो हम इजीली क्या कर सकते हैं, इसके ऊपर से हम क्रॉस कर सकते हैं. अंडरस्टूड? बिकॉज इट विल नॉट टच द ग्राउंड. देखिए यहाँ पे, देखिए यहाँ पे आपका फलक्रम बन गया, वो वाला ट्रायंगल जो हमने देखा था. यहाँ पे क्या बन गया, फिर से यहाँ पे बन गया हमारा फिक्स्ड एंड. सो हमें क्या ढूंढना है हमारे पूरे प्रोग्रेसिव ग्रुप टास्क में, ये ऐसा वाला फिक्स्ड एंड ढूंढना है हमें, राइट. सो यहाँ पे कैंडिडेट स्टैंड करने की कोई जरूरत हमें नहीं पड़ी. we need not have to stand any candidate here because the fixed end has been already there, and simply we can cross from this point. Let's see this again. This was the fixed end, right? This fulcrum has been made. You can cross from this side. Observe this. Let's look at this, right? ये हमारा फलक्रम बन गया, राइट. ये यहाँ पे हमने बल्ली प्रॉपरली प्लेस कर दी. सो nobody have to stand here. ऑटोमेटिकली यहाँ पे स्टैंड होने के बाद ये नीचे से ऊपर जाने वाला है, और ये प्रेशर जो बिल्ड होगा, तो ये वाली जो प्लैंक है, इट विल बी वर्क एज दी लोड LHS वाला लोड. सो यहाँ पे जाके चढ़ के सिंपली अ कैंडिडेट कैन वॉक ऑन इट एंड क्रॉस दी obstacle. Observe this. Chalo, next. See this, right? Fixed end, the fulcrum, and you can simply cross from here, this point. Again, fixed end, right? Fulcrum. So यहाँ पे आने के बाद आप यहाँ से क्रॉस कर पाओगे. See this. This is fixed end. So all you have to do is एक एंड को, फिक्स एंड को हमें ज्यादा से ज्यादा फाइंड करना है, और एक फलक्रम ऐसा वाला बनाना है, so that यहाँ पे एक तो लोड, यहाँ पे किसी कैंडिडेट को खड़ा करने का टाइम ना आना चाहिए. So you don't have to stand any candidate from this side, and you can simply bridge it. You can simply make a bridge and cross from this point. Of course, if in any case it is difficult for you, you can make one candidate stand at left point and make other candidate to pass from that point. Pass from a right hand side. All I am trying to say here is find these things: fulcrum and one fixed end. Fulcrum and one fixed end. See this. Again, this is fulcrum, which we have got. Again, this is the fixed end. See this. Again, we got the fulcrum here. Smartly we put that balli, smartly inserted in this gap, and यहाँ पे without making anyone stand, यहाँ पे जब candidate stand हो जाएगा, automatically this load will be on this side, and this particular beam will carry its load, and LHS will be fixed. See this. So यहाँ पे smartly, even in my SSB I did this. यहाँ पे smartly there is a fulcrum. Smartly यहाँ पे हमने put कर दिया. यहाँ पे जो बल्ली थी उसको use कर लिया हमने properly, and we made one LHS here, one fulcrum here, so that you can easily cross from here and you can easily jump over here. See this. Again, this is fixed end fulcrum. Again, this fixed end, and this works as the fulcrum. यहाँ पे फिर आप यहाँ से आओगे और यहाँ पे a candidate can stand and it can easily cross it. See this again. यहाँ पे fulcrum मिल गया. Fulcrum कहाँ पे? यहाँ पे है. Okay? और ये fixed end यहाँ पे है. See this again. ये यहाँ पे fixed end मिल गया. This single screw has worked as a fixed end, and this worked as a fulcrum. Again, I think this we have seen this. See this. See, this is fulcrum, right? If somebody walks, the load automatically carry on this point. ये ऊपर आ जाएगा and fixed हो जाएगा. And because of this fulcrum, it will be supported properly. Okay. This we have seen. See this. You can fix it, so it will be fixed end. Sorry, this will be fulcrum, and this will be fixed end. You can simply cross from this point. This one we have seen this. Again, this fixed end, load, fulcrum. Again this. See this. ये हमने यहाँ से देखा था. यहाँ पे हमने क्या कर दिया? बल्ली इंसर्ट कर दी और इसको बना दिया fulcrum, इसको बना दिया fixed end. तो जब यहाँ पे कैंडिडेट यहाँ से वॉक करेगा, राइट, उसका लोड कैरी होके इसके ऊपर आएगा, and it will be worked as a fixed end. Sure. So I hope you have understood what I'm trying to say here is, right? So you do that. What you have to do is, everyone, what you have to do is, you have to just find the fixed end somewhere, or you have to try to find the fulcrum. Okay. All you have to do is you have to try to find the LHS side fixed and fulcrum. And then एक बार आप distance जो है दो obstacle का वो 4 feet से कम कर पाए, so आप easily you can jump and then cross that obstacle. And then उस साइड में जाने के बाद एक candidate, you can simply make one cantilever from this side, from opposite side जहाँ पे सब आप cross कर चुके हो, and the final candidate then again will jump from that point to your one end of the bridge, and then he can easily come to you. Understand? So and now abhi how to approach in progressive group task. Okay, so this is where these are very short tips. Be very constructive member of the group. Okay, try and lead the group. See, in the progressive group task, how you can show yourself a best candidate, that you can simply give the maximum idea and give the maximum logic. If you are the person who are giving the ideas and logic and solution to the team will automatically start following you. Understand? Wait for all to cross over. So unless and until one candidate have not crossed the obstacle, you do not start negotiating the second obstacle. Getting my point? Don't give up, keep trying. Basically, if you find that this way is very better or this way is very correct to negotiate the obstacle, stick to it and keep trying to find the solution. Wahan pe your presence of mind and all your logical reasoning will work on you, will work for you. Persistence with the chosen path. As we have discussed, be very consistent with the path, whatever the path you have chosen. Next is don't criticize the other candidate. Basically what हम क्या कर देते हैं, अगर if you don't like anybody's idea, we start criticizing, no ये correct नहीं है, वो correct नहीं है. You don't have to say in such manner. If the idea is not workable, simply put that in the polite language and give solution. That instead of this, we can find the solution by the other means. Next is don't shout. सबसे बड़ा problem वो GTO sir को impress करने के चक्कर में खुद का आवाज जोर से आना चाहिए. That's why everyone starts sounding very noisy बना देते हैं, right? You don't have to shout. Okay, GTO sir is observing everyone very carefully, understand, and he knows which candidate is performing genuinely. So you don't have to worry about his attention. All you have to worry about is finding the solution, taking the group continuously to the next level, and finding and reaching at the final end. And finally, do not break the rules. We have discussed the rules. So how to perform, we will see in the detail. This is the test of your social skills, physical strength and enthusiasm. Hence, give your ये fall नहीं है, ये all है, okay? All of it and enjoy the task. ये आपके social skill की, physical strength and enthusiasm की test है. देखिए, what is your task? Taking the group together and crossing the progressively difficult task and taking group from one end to another. So just enjoy the task. It is not the competition. Understand? There is no such sequence of standing. And I think these tips are of the okay, fine. These tips are the group obstacle race. I'm really sorry. Okay. Yes. These were the tips of the group obstacle race. I'm really sorry. So we are done here with the progressive group task. Okay, this lecture today was quite clumsy because of some different tasks were involved in it. I hope you all have understood. So anybody who don't understood, so again, thank you. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. And if there are any question, you can simply raise your hand and ask the question. Chalo, anybody have any question? See, progressive group task needs the GTO ground. Okay, my academy have my own GTO ground, but I cannot show you that GTO ground directly on the ground. Okay. So yes, please ask. Surendra.
So suppose we have yes, Surendra.
Yes, Surendra.
Suppose in obstacles we have rope in hanging on 2 poles. Then how can you utilize that rope?
If the obstacle have
rope. Yes.
Hanging rope. Okay, so
yeah, right.
So how you can cross that? You can see there must be right now. I don't know which obstacle you are talking about. But even if there is rope, okay, you can try to minimize the distance of 4 feet and come take that into the less than 4 feet. So you can tie a bully to that rope, or you can simply make that rope as a U rope, okay, and put that bully inside that rope so that so the rope will be worked as fulcrum. Anything you can do. Okay, so I cannot see the task right now. That's why I'm unable to say the solution for you. But yes, if the rope is involved, it's not that difficult. It's not at all difficult. Okay, you can tie the helping materials. Okay, sorry, you can tie one of the helping material and make your obstacle cross it. Understand?
Okay, so understood.
Yes. Anyone have any question? It's only Surendra who asks question every time. Okay, again, go ahead. Yes.
So I think I finished my question.
Yeah, okay, fine. You raised your hand, that's why I asked. Okay. Okay, Tejveer, I guess you don't have any question. Chalo. Have you understood? I don't think today, aaj session, even I am not satisfied with the today's session, but believe me, ये progressive group task है. Progressive group task is very, very practical, and it really needs ground. Understand? That's why मैं हर एक को बोलता हूँ कि SSB का preparation cannot be done at sitting just at the home. Okay. So even my academy we have our own GTO ground, but because of pandemic, we cannot take you to that GTO ground virtually. Okay. So in future, if you really want to join our academy, you will have privilege to work in that GTO ground. And this academy is one of the very few academies in Maharashtra who have their own GTO ground. Understood? So thank you for staying with in the lecture. In the evening session, we will be finishing half group obstacle race and half group task. Okay, two lectures we will finish in the evening session, because half group task is very easy. It's not difficult to understand. We'll just take more time for the group obstacle race, so that immediately two tasks will be completed and we can move with our syllabus very quickly. Okay, so thank you everyone. It was morning session, very wonderful session. Thank you and very good day. Bye.
Bye.